wedding, whether it is a civil or it is a church wedding, is a public declaration of your love.
The color of the morning when summer turns to fall. Gone from what it was, quietly unfolding right in front of us.
Mariela Monique, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Ryan na iyong pagmamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
It's obvious, it's meant to be. Don't have to try, it comes naturally. There's just no denying when stars align.
Mariela, mahal, nandito na tayo sa ating kinatatayuan. May papangako ko lang, sa bawat umaga sa ating buhay na ating pagmamahal, ako ay magiging matyaga, matapat, sa anumang pagsubok ng panahon na nagbibigay sa atin.
Yun nga. Ayun. Nagkikwento ko sa akin sa picture ko. Tapos nag-iiyak. Parang, nakilala niya kasi yun sa elementary pa lang. And then nag-break sila. Pagkatapos nag-break, nagbalikan ulit ang mga
After 8
mga person.
Recited like a heartbeat, if ever I forget.
Nakita ulit kami ng mother niya, nagkasakay kami sa bus. Tapos sabi niya, "Uy, college na si Ryan," ganyan. "Ikaw sa nag-aaral." Minsan usap kayo ni Ryan sa Facebook. Tapos after nun, kinwento rin pala sa kanya. Tapos doon na nag-start.
It's obvious, it's meant to be. Don't have to try, it comes naturally. There's just no denying.
Though, siyempre ngayon, iba yung noong grade 6 kasi bata pa yun. Ngayon, kumbaga, on the second time around, in a mature way, hindi siya yung katulad dati ng case. Ano nakita kami, ayun, gulat, kasi hindi siya lumaki, tapos ganun pa rin yung mukha niya. Yun, siyempre kilig, kasi umpisa, ganun talaga. Tapos yun, eager to know each other kasi first time ko.
There's just no denying. I knew you were right for me.
Pag kayo nagdesisyon na mag-asawa, na hindi lang mauwi hanggang doon yung pagmamahal ninyo, na nakabase lahat what is outside. Nang sinasabi ka sa atin na sana yung pagmamahal na yun na lumago na maging altruistic love, a love that is no longer based on passion but on compassion, out of a need. Ryan, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Mariela Monique na iyong pagmamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Ryan, mahal, we did it. Thank you dahil sinamahan mo ko pa rin yung mga pangarap natin. Salamat dahil hindi ka sumuko sa mga panahon na akala natin hindi matatapos yung problema. Salamat dahil ikaw yung naging lakas ko sa mga panahon. Pinakita mo sa akin na darating yung araw na ang lahat ng tao ay magiging worth it.
The ocean in your eyes, the touch of your skin when I hold you against mine, the sound of your voice in harmony with mine, this magic we feel can happen all the time. We'll run this race as fast as we can, over and over, your hand in my hand, as we face forever and give love a chance. I'll show you again and again. It's been you. It's always been you. It's been you. It's always been you.
can always count on me na maging faithful, na maging loyal, na handang gawin yung maaari para sa ating dalawa. And hindi lang para magtagal, kundi para maingatan yung relationship na sinimulan and nabuo na.
As we grow in age, and time has proven true, the love that's in me is only made.
Tayong dalawa para sa isa't isa at mamahalin kita araw-araw.
We'll run this race as fast as we can, over and over, your hand in my hand, as we face forever and give love a chance. I'll show you again and again. It's been you, it's always been you. It's been you.